Today's little project is this shared driveway. Now, as you can see, both sides of the driveway are about 6 inches higher than this driveway itself. So the plan for today is fix any potholes in the existing driveway. And I'm going to Harley rake the whole thing. And then we're going to drop about 40 tons of 3/4 plant mix on this and compact it. That should give us enough height. I might shave a little bit off this side maybe with the bucket. It's pretty extreme. And this new apron, unfortunately, the way it's installed, I don't know if that culvert's not handling it or something's, but anyway, he's got water that's been coming up over the road, pooling here. That's why there's potholes. So I told him for temporary relief, just, give this water a place to run out. So that's what he did, and it worked. I think I am going to shave a little bit off that. There is a place for me up above to put it too. So, but once I get up to where the shade stops, I think I'm not going to do anything with it there because this end needs to be built up quite a bit. I don't know if I can build it up enough where the water will run back into the drain that tries to come up and over here. We'll have to wait and see. But this is what we're up to, and we're going to be doing the new section here just beyond the first driveway on the right where my truck is. Maybe another, 20 feet to 30 feet beyond that. And the rest is, I guess the neighbor at the end of the street said he was okay with the driveway, so up there, even though that needs it almost as bad as this. But what happens is he's not seeing really the problem. The problem is the water's running all the way down here and it's pooling at the end. So I have a feeling after he sees this section built up right, that he'll probably want me back. And I recommended to this customer here to try and talk him into it while I'm here. It'd be the time to do it, but no takes. So let's get to work. Nicely done. Well, this is going to work out perfect, so I can shape this first load. And when he gets here for the second one, we'll put it right on top of this one. Excellent. I'd say he knows what the hell he's doing. He's going to be going a little bit beyond, but that's fine. Excellent.